Okay, Manny, mawalang galang na po. Kayo po'y pumunta. Okay, question number 1. This is trial. In God's economy, it is not winner take all. Instead, it is winners blank all. Okay. Truly, I tell you, it is hard for someone who is blank to enter the kingdom of heaven.
Go, Papa!
Tito Manny. Ano po sagot?
Tama.
Mali. Okay. Isang word lang po. Truly, I tell you. Sino muna?
Ulit.
Okay. Truly, I tell you, it is hard. Okay. Ida. Okay. Iskarte. Okay.
Rich, ang
Kuya
tamang
Manny,
sagot.
rich lang po. Hindi rich man.
Mami ko, di ba pinagbigyan ng tatay kay Papa? Sige. Sige, ate.
Not following. Hindi po. Wala pong men. Truly, I tell you, it is hard for someone. Kasi sinabi ko na yung someone.
Someone
who is rich to enter the kingdom of heaven.
King James Version pala.
Okay.
Wala.
NIV po. NIV. Okay. Okay, next. Next. Okay. Question number 3. A winner, a real winner, leaves a lasting blank. Nuna. Tama. Okay. Diskarte, Nuna.
Abante.
Napaka-ayos sumanod. Sabi may abante ako. Hindi ka napapabantihin. Okay. Next. Question. Nililigdang-ligdang ko po.
Ay,
He is weak because he came from the weakest clan of Manasseh. Ida. Gideon. Correct. Diskarte. Okay. Correct.
oh, ng orange.
Okay. Question number 4. Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the blank. Tito Manny.
Pass.
Correct. Diskarte, Tito Manny. Abante ako. Ganyan. Okay.
Pati ako.
Oh, very good. Okay. Ay, ang labo ng mata ko. Ate mo na, malabo ang mata ko. Name the prophet who said this. Come now, let us settle the matter, says the Lord.
Papa.
Though,
Prophet Isaiah.
Diskarte, Kuya Manny.
Pati ako.
Wow! Prophet Isaiah is
Oh, Papa.
correct.
May cash prize pa ba ito, Mami Bes?
Wala.
Ay, sayang naman.
Effort din lang. Okay. According to the famous proverb, how many times will a righteous fall and
Papa.
he will rise again?
7 times.
Kuya Manny, correct!
Pati ako.
Ang galing naman ng purple.
Uy, patrasin nyo yan. Bilisan nyo kasi. How many years was added to King Hezekiah's life? Miro. 15. Miro, diskarte. Hindi una si Miro.
No, let's be fair. Abante ako.
Oh, let's be fair.
Okay. Question. Abraham and Lot separated due to the conflict among their blank.
Papa.
Kuya Manny.
Quarrels.
Wrong. Ida.
Fla.
Flock or herdsman is correct. Yes. Diskarte.
Abante ako! Atras si Kuya Man. Abante ako.
Atras Kuya Manny. Atras Kuya Manny. Okay.
Isa na lang yung kanyang diskarte.
Okay, question. Elevation requires divine blank.
Separation.
Separation correct. Diskarte, Miro.
Abante ako.
Okay. Okay, question. Sow righteousness for yourselves. reap the fruit of unfailing love, and break up your black MG.
A proud ground.
MG! Discarded! Okay, correct. Okay, there are three sinful natures. Lust of the flesh, lust of the eyes. Sino ba nauna? Miro.
Pride of life.
Discarte Miro.
Abante!
Okay, abante.
Papa!
Okay. May bias ka, umalis ka dyan.
Hindi, tinatawag ko na.
Okay. Now, on the verse, Leviticus 6 verse 12a, the fire on the altar must be kept burning. It must never go out. What does fire represent? Kuya Manny.
Presence of God.
Kuya Manny, discarte!
Abante ako!
Papa, sabi ni Lord, vengeance is mine. Bakit mo pinatras?
Nagpa-atras na si Kuya Manny.
Manny.
Okay.
Sabi niya, wag muna magpatras.
Isa na lang, isa na lang.
Yeah, nagagalit yung asawa. Katimpa na ng asawa yung pinatras.
Okay. This place is called a place of fragrance or a sweet place. Ako nag-exhort nito. A sweet place. A place of fragrance. Alam ni, ano eh?
Aficionado.
A place of fragrance or a sweet place. Kuya Manny. Wrong, Kuya Manny. Luna. Correct, Luna. Correct. Discarte. Atras, Kuya Manny. Atras, Kuya Manny.
Papa, pinagpaparuan ka
Kuya
talaga.
Manny. Atras ka daw. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, if Satan cannot make you bad, he will make you
Busy.
very good. Abante ka. Okay.
Pwede ba mamimis atras ako? Pwede ba
Huwag
yun?
naman.
Okay, tatanong ko lang.
Okay. Ito. Whoever loves money never has enough. Whoever loves wealth is never satisfied with their income. These words of wisdom came from which book? Miro.
Proverbs.
Wrong, Miro. O ano bang may mga wisdom? Whoever loves money never has enough.
Book of Psalms.
Wrong, Kuya Manny. Wrong na, correct. Ecclesiastes is correct. Abante ka, okay.
Hey, tama na naman po. Ay, hindi, okay naman, okay naman.
Okay, next. If the opposite of love isn't hate, but indifference, what is the opposite of life? Kuya Manny.
Death.
Wrong, Kuya Manny. Kayo. MG. MG.
Complacency.
MG, correct!
Abante ako!
Okay!
Dapat pala may spelling. Spell complacency.
Okay. State the verse. So, sasabihin niyo sa akin kung anong verse.
Kahit anong version namin, Bes.
Okay, ako nag-absorb dito. Remember, the fire must be kept burning on the altar at all times. It must never go out. Sinabi ko na kanina, ngayon sabihin niyo lang yung verse. Remember, the fire must be kept burning on the altar. It must never go out.
Leviticus 6:10-12.
Mali? Okay, sino pa? No coaching, no coaching? Okay. Meron pa? Labis. Ay, hindi na nakapag-queue po ako, sorry. Wag na, invalid na po, nakapag-queue ako. Nasabi ko labis kasi. Di sobrang 30.
Ay, baka 1.
Okay. Okay. The agreement or pledge to do something in the future is called Kuya Manny.
Vow.
Wrong. Yung nag-aaralan lang natin. The agreement or pledge to do something in the future is called Blank. Letter C. Ilan nakasagot ka na, Kuya Manny? Miro.
Commitment?
Commitment is correct. Okay, Amanda. Okay, let us hold unswervingly to the hope we profess, for he who promised is blank. Kuya Manny.
Faithful.
Kuya Manny. Aba, ano kaya? Diskarte.
Abante ako!
Okay. Hoy, dalo, wala ka ng atras
Wala na,
power.
wala na, wala na.
Kuya Manny, wala na siyang atras power na gamit na niya. Okay. Siya mapag-vengeance. Naka-live group daw niya ito. Kailangan mo pa rin yan. Okay. Okay. What is the best gift you can give to someone? Sino? MG.
Time.
Time is correct. Diskarte. Ayaw mo atrasin to? Kakamban daw niya. Okay. Okay, ito naman. What is the Latin word for miracle? Which means, okay?
Sorry, hindi pala yung alam ko.
Okay. Wala ka na. Lose one word. Okay, what is the Latin word for miracle? Miracle, which means wonder or be amazed. Ito yung nag-exhort ay si Ma'am Eva. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And,
Mapimalo.
Mapimalum, miraculum.
Lalagyan.
Okay, whose house does the Ark of the Covenant stayed for more than 20 years and it was forgotten? Ano? Okay.
Obed-Edom?
Ay, hindi, yun ay pagkatapos. Okay, yung bago. Oh, MG. Si MG.
Nahu?
Wrong. Ikaw. Mali. Okay, wala na. Ang sagot ay Abinadab. Okay, next.
Abante mo
Question. Who touched the ark and was struck down by the Lord and died? MG. Hindi ko naman in-exhort si Naho. Okay. Sino po? Yung humipo tapos na Tegi Bumski. Ano ka kayo? Ay, gagarting ko pa nag-exhort nito.
kasi.
Mami, kaya San John Town na yan.
Ano, tapos kayo nawawala na, hindi nyo inaalala. From the audience, sino? Ulit ang question. Who touched the Ark of the Covenant and was struck down by the Lord and died on the spot?
Si ano?
Mali po. Si Usa.
Usa. Kaya naman na kayo eh. Hindi ko din po alam.
Okay. Name at least 2 items inside the Ark of the Covenant. Ida.
Yung 2 tablets of 10 commandments at saka yung rod ni Aaron.
Na?
Tubo pa yon and golden manna. Golden
tatlo
jar
pa.
of
Sige,
manna.
diskarte.
Ate ako, atrasi!
Miro. Okay, Miro. Okay, yan. Wala ka na rin. Nakapagpa-atras ka na ng 2 beses. Si Kuya Manny at saka si ano. Okay. It is the feeling of great pleasure and happiness. Ida.
Joy!
Correct. Okay. Kala ko hindi mo masabi, ba't ikaw nag-exhort nun? Okay. Bigla siyang nag-stutter. Okay. Stand firm and you will win in life. This wisdom is found in which gospel book? O 4 ng pamimilian. Stand firm and you will win in life. This book of wisdom, these words of wisdom is found on which gospel book? Okay, no na. Mark is wrong.
Apat yun.
Parang MG. Sige po, MG. Luke is correct.
Abante ako!
Okay, abante.
No power na.
Okay, how long? di bagong-bago ha. Naku, ubus ang question ko. How long was Prophetess Anna married before she became widow at 84? Kuya Manny?
21 years old.
Wrong! How long? How long was Anna married?
21 years.
Wrong! How long was Anna married before she became widowed? Wrong! Hindi na pwede yung sumagot ulit. Ano na kayo? Miro?
18.
Bakit kayo hindi nakikinig sa akin? Nakakayamot ka kayo. Ha?
Sino ka pong Ana yan? Baka yung ibang
Ikaw.
kapitbahay.
Bakit ka kayo lampas na? Wala na, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ikaw na lang, bibigyan ko ng chance. 70. Kakayamot ka kayo. Sabi ka na ang ano. Okay. Okay. To which tribe does Prophetess Anna came from? Nuna. Asher is correct. Descarte. Kuya Manny, atras! Pareho-pareho kayo wala ng lifeline kayo tatlo meron pa. Okay yung mga ano. Yan. Naku. Kailangan manalo na kayo dahil nauubos na yung question ko. In the spiritual sense, what is more important than being gifted or talented? In the spiritual sense, what is more important than being gifted and talented? Ito yung pinagkadiin-diinan ko pa. Kung wala ka,
Being able to speak in tongues?
no. MG.
No.
No! Bakit ganun kayo? Madalis kayo mag-amnesia.
Being saved.
No! Sino pa? Sige, hula ng hula.
Passionate.
Na, sabi ko pa, ganito pa sabi ko, kung wala ka rin lang ministry at gusto mo magpagamit, ikaw ay mag-involve sa ministry of availability. Mas magaling itong proud kayo na nga doon.
Susumbong ko kayo, nagtuturo kayo.
Hay nako, wala na akong question. wait lang. Maghanap ako dito, meron pa dito.
General question.
Yung mga aking nilampasan kanina. Okay. Return to your stronghold, O prisoners of hope. Ito yung matatagpuan sa Zechariah 9:12. Si Daddy Bess na nag-exhort nito. Today, I declare that I will restore to you blank. MG. Ay, Miro.
Land.
Wrong. I will restore to you. Ano yung gayon? Bakit gayon? Letter D. Nagsisimula sa letter D.
Descendants.
Pinapahirap nyo masyado. I will restore to you. Okay, ulitin daw. Para sa mga Zechariah 9:12, return to your stronghold, O prisoners of hope. Today, I declare that I will restore to you. Letter D. Double. Okay. I will restore to you double.
Double.
Ayan. Okay, ito naman. Malapit ako maubusin ang tanong kaya dapat may manalo na. Ikaw na yan! Okay. Who is this minor prophet? Minor prophet, 12 lang pamimilian. Who is the minor prophet who said that silver and gold is the Lord's? Sino? Parang sino na po muna nagsatas? Mali. Ay, sinabi niya sagot.
Hagay.
Okay, kaya Manny, abante ka. Ayan, ako na nagsabi. Matandang ka. Sinabi niya ang kanyang sagot. Okay. Okay, namigay na siya ng sagot. Ay, naubusan na rin ako ng tanong. Okay, ayan, wait lang po dahil naubusan ako ng question. Wait lang.
Yes.
Kaya meron naisip ko sa ulo ko.
Patay!
Natanggal ko na. Okay. Gagalingan nyo na dito na. Ito na talaga. Ang kailangan matapos na tayo dito sa question na ito. Okay, complete the verse. For we are God's blank, created in Christ Jesus to do good works. Workmanship is correct. Okay. Naku po, 3 months tayo pa. Wala na tayo na. Lalo nang naubos. Okay. Okay, Okay, what is the meaning of USA? Mira,
Grace?
mali. USA means?
Itlog.
Ayun siyang yung nag-touch. Anong ibig sabihin ng kanyang pangalan? Kaya nga, what seems right is not right, and what seems good is not good, and what seems strong is not strong. What is the meaning of USA? Sinabi ko na eh. Wrong. Strength. Okay. What are the two emotions? Two emotions that David felt when Usa was struck down and died. MG. Dalawang step to, dahil dalawang emotion.
Sad and angry?
Angry and, ay mali. Sa angry, isang step. Oh, may isa pa, may kulang pa siyang isa. Angry and? Wrong. Angry and? Wrong. Angry and afraid. Okay.
Nabago na pala po yan.
Okay, ito na. Ito na ang final question. Final question na. Kung sino na ang pinaka makabante. Oo, dahil, hindi, si Daddy na ang aking pagtatanungin.
Yeah.
O, ikaw na magtatanong kapag ka hindi pa ako wala na akong tanongin. Okay. Quote the verse. Consider it pure joy for my brothers and sisters whenever... Ida.
James 2:1-4.
Hindi mo kasi ako pinatapos kasi hindi mo naman alam kung matatapos ko hanggang saan. So, mali ka. Okay, consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters,
Nero.
whenever... Okay,
2 verse 1 and 2.
wrong. Patapusin niyo kasi. Consider it pure joy.
Sa Mami Bes, wait lang. May nagsasabi.
James 2:1-3.
Wrong.
Tama pa. Wait lang. Sige,
Okay.
yan yung para.
Sige.
James chapter 1 verse 2 and 3.
Wrong ulit. Okay.
Ayun, patapusin muna.
Patapusin niyo kasi ako para malaman niyo kung meron ba sunod na verse. So, hindi na kayo pwede sumagot. Ito ay para na lamang kay...
Ate MG.
Kay MG at saka kay, Sirin. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds. Okay.
Sino po?
Mataas ang kamay.
Chapter 2 verse 1.
Wrong. MG.
James 2 verse 1-2.
Wrong.
Ay, sana.
Okay. Lalo namang nagpakala, mali-mali na. Sige, sino?
Atras, Kuya Aldwin.
Okay. Ito po ay sa inyong kalaman ay James 1:2.
One.
Tama po si Kuya Manny. Labis lamang ng isa pang...
Baka pwede na yung Mami Bes.
Sige, ano kaya? Daddy, halika na, magtanong ka na.
Give 5.
Okay. Sige po, ako yung magtatanong ng isa pa. Antay mo na. Daddy!
Kira mo na.
Ay, wala na akong maisip. Teka na. Maghanap lang po ako ng tanong sa aking mga slides. Wait. Kaya na ba, purple team? At saka naman, okay.